Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Brian from Monaco Auto Design, and in today's video, I am working on some design specifications for the brand new McLaren GT. And in this video, you will not only see how I do that, but at the end of this video, I'll showcase 3 different color combinations for you guys to comment on which one you think looks best. So with these specs, I experimented with more paint fades that are becoming more and more popular today, but straying away from the linear front to back transitions and tried out a more dynamic approach of angled fades, along with other miscellaneous areas that afford some distinct callouts of the body features, such as the crease that falls from the front headlight and into the bumper, the front bumper vents themselves, etc. I also pushed the envelope a bit further and introduced the same fade into the wheel finish, fading outward from the center caps and to the leading edge of the wheel. McLaren has really hit a homer with all of the MSO options that are now available to customers. They can pretty much do anything, so I wouldn't be surprised to see something like this come out of the factory across the pond. But before I get into info about this new model from McLaren, if you like this video and would like to see more, please hit that thumbs up button and also consider subscribing. And if you're someone who is looking to spec a McLaren GT or any car for that matter that you might be purchasing, you can always reach me on Instagram at Monaco Auto Design, or you can email monacautodesign@gmail.com. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions regarding the spec and the design process. Okay, back to the car. Pricing starts at just over $200,000. It has about 620 horsepower, and you could actually fit your golf clubs in the back of it. Believe it or not, it has more cargo space than a Ford Focus, if I read correctly, which is pretty impressive. So from what I understand, the 570 GT was partially a test to see if there was a market for a more practical McLaren, and this new model is a result of the success of that car. You'll see a lot of 570-like pieces, especially in the interior, but this is the first true Grand Tourer from the brand. And the design has some 720S, some Senna, and even some Speedtail sprinkled in, which I like. So sit back, relax, and I'll see you guys at the tail end of this video. Alright guys, in the comments below, let me know which of these you like best. The white and blue specification, this black and red, or this gray and green. Once again, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time.